In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copy AI for free in 2025, a beginner's tutorial that will guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and start your journey with Copy AI. First, let's open up a web browser and go to Google. Simple enough, once you're on Google's homepage, we're going to type Copy.ai into the search bar. As with any other search, press enter to see the results. Navigating the web becomes second nature when you're looking for specific tools you want to explore, such as Copy AI. Once the search results load, look for the official Copy AI website and give it a click. It should be one of the top results you see. Clicking this link will take you directly to their site where you can get started. Now, once you're on Copy AI's homepage, you'll see options to log in or get a demo. We're going to focus on getting started for free, so click on the option that says Sign Up. You'll then be directed to a sign-up form. Start by clicking on the space labeled First Name and enter your first name. Following that, navigate to the Last Name field and enter your last name. This is the standard process to set up your account and begin using Copy AI's services. Next, click the space labeled Email and enter a valid email address that you'll use to log into Copy AI. There's also a convenient option to sign up using Google, which can be a time saver if you prefer that route. All you need to do is click Continue with Google, select the email account you'd like to register with, and click Continue. This can make the process quicker because there's less information to enter manually. Once you've set up your account, Copy AI will ask a few questions to tailor the experience to your needs. They'll prompt you with the option to help us customize your experience by telling us a bit about yourself and your goals. This is your chance to tell Copy AI what you're looking to achieve, whether it be content creation, marketing, or something else. Click Next to proceed. Moving forward, you'll see the option, Where do you want to start? Choose where you want to apply. Copy AI's tool set within your workflow. Click Next once you've made your selection. The following step involves telling them how you heard about Copy AI, which helps them refine their services and reach others like you. Finally, click Get Started, and you're ready to explore all that Copy AI has to offer. You're now on the path to start generating creative content with their powerful AI at your fingertips. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to begin using Copy AI for free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it sets you up for success on your creative endeavors.